Everyone, in this video I am just going to say something about the direct and indirect speech. As you know, direct speech is that kind of a speech when the words are given in exactly the way that the speaker said them. In direct speech, generally the words are usually placed in quotation marks, whereas in indirect speech what happens, it is the reporting of what someone else said in your own words but without changing the meaning of what was said. It is also known as a reported speech. The 3 points we must have to remember when we convert any sentence from direct to indirect speech are: point number 1, change in tense; point number 2, change in persons and pronouns; and point number 3 is change in time phrases. Here you can see some examples of direct and indirect speech. In direct speech, he said, "I am fine." Then when we have to convert this sentence to indirect speech, we have to write, he said that he was fine. In indirect speech, you have to remove the quotation mark or the inverted comma. Then number B, he said it is very cold in Shillong. In indirect speech, he said that it is very cold in Shillong. Number C, he said I have finished the work. In indirect speech, he said that he had finished the work. Number D, he said I am living in Paris. In indirect speech, he said that he was living in Paris. Number E, this sentence is in interrogative. The doctor asks the patient, "Do you smoke?" Then in indirect speech, the doctor asks the patient if he smoked. Number F, this sentence is in exclamatory. What a beautiful view, my friend said. In indirect speech, you have to write, my friend exclaimed that it was a beautiful view. So these are some of the examples of direct and indirect speech. You can see that you can also see how some pronouns are changed when we convert the sentence from direct to indirect speech. For example, in direct, if you find this pronoun I, then you have to convert it to he or she in indirect speech. Again, you can see the another example. In direct speech, if you find this pronoun we, then you have to convert it into they in indirect speech. Then some other examples are my. In indirect, his oblique her. In direct, this. Then if you convert this pronoun to indirect, then you have to write that. Direct, our; indirect, their. Direct us, indirect them. Direct me, indirect him oblique her. Direct these, in indirect those. So these are some of the examples which you have to apply in direct and indirect speech. Hope you are understanding the concept of direct and indirect speech. If you like this video, please give a like or share or subscribe my channel. Thank you.